Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Semrush to Google Analytics for SEO insights, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Semrush to Google Analytics, begin by logging into your Semrush account. Navigate to the Projects section from the left sidebar. Select the project you want to connect to Google Analytics or create a new project if needed. Once in your project dashboard, look for the Analytics tab. Click on the Setup button next to the Google Analytics integration option. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Choose the Google account that is linked to your Google Analytics. Grant Semrush the necessary permissions to access your Google Analytics data. After authorization, you'll see a list of your Google Analytics properties. Select the property you wish to connect with Semrush and click Confirm. Wait for Semrush to fetch data from Google Analytics, which may take a few moments. Once the data is loaded, you'll receive a confirmation message. You can now explore various SEO insights available through the Semrush dashboard. Review key metrics such as sessions, bounce rate, and organic search traffic. Utilize these insights to enhance your SEO strategies and performance. If you need to adjust the connection or disconnect at any point, return to the Analytics tab in your project. Follow the prompts to make any necessary changes or to disconnect from Google Analytics. You have successfully connected Semrush to Google Analytics and can now leverage these insights for your SEO efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.